It's funny how authentication can be one of the most complex parts of modern app development. Developers are constantly balancing simplicity, security, and flexibility, and that's where frameworks like Auth and Auth.js come into play. Auth.js, formerly known as NextAuth, has been around for quite some time and is a tried and tested solution for authentication in JavaScript frameworks. It integrates natively with Next.js, offering out-of-the-box support for OAuth providers like Google, GitHub, and Facebook, along with support for email, credentials, and custom tokens. Its plug-and-play structure makes it beginner-friendly. You can get up and running with secure authentication in minutes. The biggest advantage of Auth.js is its ecosystem maturity. It's stable, well-documented, and has been used in production across countless projects. Developers who want something reliable that just works without too much configuration often stick to it. But its simplicity can also be a limitation, especially if you need fine-grained control over your auth flow or want something more framework agnostic. That's exactly the gap Auth tries to fill. It's a newer authentication framework that takes a modern, type-safe approach designed specifically for full-stack TypeScript projects. Built with performance, security, and flexibility in mind, it ditches the one-size-fits-all pattern of Auth.js and instead provides tools to deeply customize every part of the authentication process. You can control token handling, session storage, and database integration with precision. Auth is also back-end agnostic, meaning it's not tied to a specific framework. Whether you're using Express, SvelteKit, or something else entirely, you can integrate it seamlessly. It even supports advanced features like multi-factor authentication, session rotation, and rate limiting out of the box. Where Auth.js shines in simplicity and community support, Auth shines in adaptability and developer control. Auth.js is fantastic if you're building a Next.js app and want to ship fast. But if your project scales beyond that and you start needing granular control or want to switch stacks, Auth's flexibility gives you room to grow. Ultimately, choosing between the two comes down to your priorities. If you value maturity, community size, and ease of setup, Auth.js remains unbeatable. But if you're after something future-focused, modular, and built for large-scale TypeScript-first applications, Auth is the clear next step forward, a framework that takes the pain out of authentication without locking you into rigid patterns.